Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting right in. Unlock your Oppo and open settings, then go to battery or power management. Why start here? Because toggles live in this menu, and changing them restores background services. Once there, tap Power Saver and look for Super Power Saving mode listed as a toggle or submenu. If you see the mode active, don't panic. Tap its entry to reveal options. Now make sure you're not in a restricted quick screen. Proceed to the next step to disable and restore normal performance. Once you find Super Power Saving mode, switch it off and confirm any prompts. This turns background limits back on. Next, open App Management or the Modes Allow list and re-enable the apps you need running in background. This restores notifications and sync. Make sure Auto Start and background activity are allowed for crucial apps, and reset display timeout if it was shortened. These steps undo the deep restrictions so your phone behaves normally. After that, reboot if prompted to fully reinitialize services and schedule tasks. Finish by rebooting the Oppo to ensure all processes restart with normal priority. Once booted, verify notifications, mobile data, and sync are functioning. If something remains off, make sure each affected app has notification, background activity, and auto start permissions. Adjust them in app settings. If issues persist, boot into safe mode to rule out a third-party app blocking services, and then disable or uninstall suspects. If the mode keeps reactivating, check scheduled battery optimizations or power profiles and remove any automation rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.